More than 3 months after a massive earthquake struck central Nepal, thousands of families struggled to rebuild their homes. The American Red Cross deployed 38 disaster specialists in a multinational Red Cross response effort. In tandem with the global Red Cross network, this relief team delivered cash assistance, shelter toolkits, and essential household items, targeting 40,000 households in the most heavily affected districts. In Sindapalchek district, the Red Cross targeted vulnerable households including the elderly, handicapped, single mothers, and those whose homes were partially or completely destroyed.
Today we're borrowing this school shelter to do a cash distribution. So these families are each receiving the equivalent of 150 US dollars. They can use that money for meeting their basic needs. They can use it for shelter, they can use it for medicine, for food supplies. It's up to each family to decide.
Today we are distributing shelter materials and toolkits to victims of the earthquake. These families are working to rebuild their homes. We also already provided cash to help with urgent household needs.
Through testimonials and on-site surveys, Red Cross staff confirmed that these toolkits will prove instrumental in strengthening temporary housing and rebuilding homes as the winter season approaches.
अब त्यो बास बनाउँदाखेरि अब यो पालहरू टाँगेर त्यो ठोक्नु गर्नुपर्छ अरे अनि त्यो बनाउन अब आफूले नजाने नि म्युनिसिपल मान्छेलाई खोजेर दिएर लाउनु पर्यो नि.
Carrying cash, tools, and household supplies from the Red Cross, these resilient families returned to the mountains, further equipped to rebuild their homes and communities.